Imagine waking up 50,000 years ago. You meet another human. He looks almost exactly like you. Not because humans never changed, because they hadn't spread across the world yet. Today, our skin comes in dozens of shades, almost black, almost white, and everything in between. But here's the strange part. These differences appeared surprisingly recently. For most of human history, humans looked far more alike than they do today. So, what changed? The answer begins with a journey out of Africa. Around 70,000 years ago, small groups of humans began leaving Africa. Some walked into the Middle East. Others reached Europe. Some traveled across Asia. Eventually, humans arrived in Australia. Then, the Americas. Every place had one thing in common: different sunlight. Near the equator, the sun bombards Earth with intense ultraviolet radiation. Scientists call it UV light. Too much UV damages skin. It also destroys folate. Folate is a vitamin your body needs to make healthy babies. Without enough folate, survival becomes harder. Over thousands of generations, natural selection favored people with darker skin. Melanin became their shield. It absorbed dangerous sunlight before it could cause serious damage. The closer people lived to the equator, the greater the advantage. But the story changed farther north. Europe received far less sunlight, especially during winter. Dark skin protected against UV. But now there wasn't enough UV. Your body needs sunlight to produce vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, bones become weak. Children grow improperly. The immune system struggles. Slowly, generation after generation. Natural selection favored lighter skin, not because lighter was better, because it allowed more sunlight into the body. More sunlight meant more vitamin D. Researchers studying ancient DNA discovered that many early Europeans still had dark skin thousands of years after arriving. Genes such as SLC24A5 and SLC45A2 spread gradually. Evolution wasn't instant. It was painfully slow, sometimes taking thousands of years for a small change. Then something unexpected happened. Humans kept moving. People mixed. Cultures blended. Trade connected continents. Skin color stopped following simple rules. Today, two people living in the same city may have completely different ancestry. And yet, genetically, humans are astonishingly similar. More than 99.9% of your DNA is shared with every other person alive. The color of your skin is controlled by only a tiny fraction of your genome, a handful of genes. That's all. The biggest difference we notice is one of the smallest differences biology can find. So, why did humans become different colors? Not because we became different species, not because one group was superior, not because evolution had a goal. Our ancestors simply adapted to stronger sunlight, to weaker sunlight, to different worlds. Every shade of human skin is a map, a record written by the sun itself, a story of migration, survival, and time. The next time you look at someone's skin color, you're not looking at a boundary between people. You're looking at one of evolution's oldest survival strategies. The greatest surprise isn't that humans became different colors. It's that beneath every shade, we're still almost exactly the same.